Doesn't that look delicious? The Bell Burger was a hamburger bun-based meal on Taco Bell's menu. From the mid-1960s to the mid-1970s, it was created to combat the hamburger. The Bell Burger was a bun with taco meat, grated cheese, and mild border sauce between the buns. Some stores have also been noted as including lettuce and tomatoes. The Bell Burger would be suspended and the Bell Beefer would be born. From the 1970s to the mid-1990s, and it made a brief return in 2012 to certain stores. The Bell Beefer was removed from the menu because people weren't buying it. It's the circle of life. Popular items stay around and underperforming items get retired. If you remember the Bell Beefer, or you would like to try it today, watch the rest of this video. It is a simple recipe.
Using that seasoning.
This is Jedis for Jesus, and I'm a Bible-believing Christian. And if you want to find the truth, that is where you look.
Not at all happy with Taco Bell. So I'm gonna go ahead and make my own meat and make something that Taco Bell probably hasn't had for 2 centuries. I'm using that seasoning. You can use any kind of seasoning. Next time I will use a different kind of seasoning. So this is actually the meat, and we have buns. Yes, buns. And shredded lettuce, cheese, and tomatoes. That is what Taco Bell had probably over 30 years ago, and they stopped making it. Tonight we are going to make and eat this. Yum.
Once you have your ground beef done, all you have to do is get the buns that you like, put your meat on. You can go ahead and buy the cheese already grated and the lettuce already cut up, or you can get a head lettuce, cut it up, and grate your own cheese. Then you go ahead and put a little bit of cheese on. Nice thing about making this at home, you could put as much meat, cheese, and then you go ahead and top it off with some lettuce. And I like to go ahead and put a couple of sliced tomatoes on, and then you squish it down, and there you go. It's ready to eat.
Really good.
If you got any value out of this video, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell to be notified when we upload a brand new video. Thank you. This is Jedis for Jesus. Hope to see you one day soon in heaven.